Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Gerel Matta. Today we're going to be doing the BoxyCharm unboxing. I do have a family gathering to go to right now, and I did use all the products that are in the box today. So if you are interested in seeing how I use all these products, please keep on watching. But before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So yes, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.